We're gonna walk around. You got your Adopt Me vest on. What do you think? Can we get you seen? Get you some attention? What do you think, honey? What do you think, sweetie? We're gonna go visit Auntie Stephanie for her lunchtime. You're all suited up. Maybe someone will see you because of how calm she is, and she's so in tune with people. Right, Laguna?
She's all puppy soft.
Yeah. So she's 7.5 months old.
She's so sick. Look at these ladies.
I know, I saw you. I was like,
Hi, honey. Hi, Laguna. You're so good. You're not even scared of an elevator? Look at you. Come on, honey. Let's go. Oh, she gives kisses to everybody. Laguna, you did so good today. We went for a little visit. You got lots of attention. Let's hope people spread the word for you. Everyone who met you said you were so beautiful. And they said you were perfect.